Okay, so I have the AVR 300 hooked up and connected to my speakers, and I have the cable that was included connected to the television. So step one, we're going to test to see if we have video coming from the player through the cable that you were using. So we're going to plug that component video directly out of the DVD player first. So we're going straight from the DVD player to the television, and we have picture, so we know the cable is good. Okay, now we'll remove that connection from the player and bring that to the video out on the back of the 300. So we've got component video out of the receiver now going straight to the television, and we'll connect our component into the 300 to the DVD player here. Red, blue, green. So that we're going out of the player into the 300 on the DVD input here. That's the only connections we've got. Component video in, component video out, and then for audio, we're using the digital connection out of the player into the back of the receiver for the sound. And there's the other end of that cable on the back of the DVD player. When we select DVD on the front panel, we have picture. Thus, the receiver passes video. And this is a high definition DVD, Blu-ray actually. So that should be as much bandwidth as you'd ever have to pass through the unit.